Good evening, everyone. I'd like to announce that a tsunami information number 1 or tsunami warning is being raised tonight at 7:12 p.m., 10 October 2025 for a 6.9 magnitude earthquake that transpired offshore Davao Oriental. Based on the local tsunami scenario database, it is expected to experience wave heights of more than 1 meter above normal tides and may be higher on enclosed bays and straits. Destructive tsunami is expected with life-threatening wave heights. It is forecasted that the first tsunami waves will arrive between 10 October 2025 7:12 p.m. to 10 October 2025 9:12 p.m. 10 October 2025. These waves may continue for hours. So people in the coastal communities of the following provinces are strongly advised to immediately evacuate to higher grounds or move further inland: Surigao del Sur, Davao Oriental, and Surigao del Norte. We urge everyone's cooperation and urge everybody to proceed to their respective evacuation points.